For over 100 years, SUNY Morrisville has prided itself on educational programs that reach out to students in very creative and innovative ways. The hallmark of a Morrisville education is the applied learning experience that we have in a wide array of classroom settings. Sometimes you'll be working with plants, sometimes animals, sometimes machines. No matter what your major may be, you will be learning with your peers and with faculty in settings that prepare you for your careers as professionals.
The nursing program here has given me a lot of laboratory experiences and a lot of clinical opportunities where I learned to apply all of that knowledge that I get out of the textbook and out of the lectures and put it into scenarios with real people. And I've had so many awesome clinical experiences here that make me feel pretty confident to actually work as a nurse when I graduate.
In the past year in particular, we've had literally dozens of companies contacting us looking for skilled and competent workers that are trained in electrical, and solar in particular has been big and continues to be big in terms of a job market. I've got one lab that's all basically biofuels, chemistry lab, so we're able to process stuff, make a mess over there, keep this lab nice and clean and neat, so it still looks like a chemistry laboratory. And then the building also houses our diesel technology and agricultural engineering programs. If we want to maintain those big heavy equipment, the diesel engines, into the future, biodiesel, for example, is one way that we can do that. Bioethanol is another one.
This building is a serious upgrade from what we used to be in Shannon Hall, and we have an indoor tower climbing, indoor wind lab, indoor solar. So any time of the year, rain or shine, we can be in here working.
We prepare our students for their careers by giving them experiences that not only give them the technical skills needed to succeed, but also the confidence to succeed as well.
I was part of Dairy Challenge, and that really gave me the opportunity to see other aspects of agriculture, especially in the dairy industry, and that actually helps me run my business every day and what I should look at to be more efficient.
The Cannabis Studies minor is really the only kind of program like it around. From producing to growing to extracting to cultivation, everything is here. They teach you it all from seed to harvest.
The biggest benefit is the employment when they graduate. I mean, I think that would be probably the reason a lot of people go to college, is to pursue a career that they enjoy and they love. And so if you're a car person and you want to work on cars, not only just getting your degree, but having that job lined up when you graduate, I think that's huge.
The classrooms has totally evolved to be more hands-on, and I actually got that at SUNY Morrisville, and it was really helped me through my learning process.